All right, so we got this one now. We want to capture phone numbers for actors and customers. And one of your homework assignments is to do it where you want to think about security. And you don't have to get like over the top thinking about, but the idea that what I want you to think about is like maybe some people I'll give access to customers' phone numbers, like all my employees could have access to customers' phone numbers, but only top level senior management can have access to actor phone numbers, because we don't want somebody that we just hired in the mailroom to like start calling their star crush, and giggling and hanging up. So only some people get access to the actor phone numbers. And so that means we're going to have different tables, and we'll be able to set later permissions on those tables, which users have access to which tables and which data. And so that's how you start to secure it. So to do that, we're going to have a table for customer phone number and also for actor phone number. So why don't you just kind of get a pen and a piece of paper, and briefly you could sketch like what is that schema going to look like? What tables are you going to add to be able to store an unlimited number of customer phone numbers and an unlimited number of actor phone numbers, and then to be able to have them in different tables so that you could later set different permissions on who has access to those tables. So do that now, including you.